Hey, my people, I am here again to give you another hot gist about our celebrities. Yes. If you grew up watching Nollywood back in the days, make I even ask you one honest question. Who was your favorite screen mother? Yes, because listen to me, Nollywood mothers were on a whole different level. You get the ones that go cry, they go cry a whole river for you. Some go pray through poverty till miracle happens, and of course there are some of them that if you see them in your dream, just wake up and go for deliverance. Yes, because those ones they get banner for head. Yes. Okay, but wait, oh, where are those people right now? What are they doing currently? What are they up to? Oh yeah, grab your drink, grab your seat, grab anything you want to grab, and let's dive into the gist in proper. At number 15, may we not even lie to ourselves. When you think of strict, no nonsense, dangerous Nollywood mother, who come to your mind first? Okay, let me shock you. Patience Ozokwo, which everybody normally calls Mama G, that Mama G herself. Yes, look, Mama G's presence on screen is almost spiritual. For over 3 decades now, she was the undisputed face of toxic mother-in-law and overprotective mother that can do anything for her children. Yes, but off screen, her real life na pure strength. She lost her husband at a very young age and she raised all her kids by herself. Today, her children, they don't grow finish, and Mama G don't step up into a total peaceful, faith-filled phase of life. She be full-time born-again Christian now, heavily into church ministry and even preaching at the youth event. She still dey act small, but she's super selective now and even old national honor, that is MFR. Talk about complete transformation. And at number 14, Ngozi Ezeonu. Hey, na direct opposite. That one, now soft-hearted, God-fearing, and perpetual crying mother. This woman fit cry on cue, hold her hands together and start to beg her stubborn film children. In real life, Ngozi passed through her own quiet challenges, yes, including a low-key divorce. But she just focused on her kids with zero drama. Right now, she's semi-retired, yes, living low-key for Asaba, where she dey invest in real estate, run wellness business, and act royal family films once in a while, just once in a while. Yes, fans still dey respectfully call her Queen Mother till today. And at number 13, na the late legendary Rachel Oniga. May her soul rest in peace. This one is still dey pain body. Rachel was the main heartbeat of maternal love in Nollywood, loving, fame, and deeply rooted in culture. Off screen, she raised her 3 kids as a single mom. After separating from her husband way back in 1993, and sadly she passed away in July 2021 due to heart complication, but her legacy still dey reign. Her daughter Georgina, is still dey run a NGO for her honor to support widows and single mothers, and Nollywood still remember her as everybody's mother on set. Okay, let's move on. And at number 12, na Chinwe Owo. If calm wisdom get face for Nollywood, na her face. Always wearing simple wrapper and headscarf. She was that church-going, fasting, long-suffering mother that fit make you cry without even saying one word. Since her husband passed away in early 2010s, yes, I don't know the exact date, but that was early 2010. Mama Chinwe don live very quiet, peaceful life in Enugu, surrounded by her grandchildren. Yes, so surrounded by her grandchildren, she dey spend her time now doing small farming, reading her Bible and attending women's fellowship, only popping out once in a while when Nollywood veteran wan give her lifetime award. Okay, and at number 11 we get Joke Silva, the elegant, educated, high society mother who carries motherhood like pure royalty. In real life, Aunty Joke na definition of inner strength. After her legendary husband Olu Jacobs was diagnosed with dementia, she don step up as his full-time caregiver while still running their theatre academy and monitoring young talents. She no be just screen mother, she be true mother to the whole Nigerian movie industry. Yes, and at number 10 na Rita Nzelu. She was that stern, unforgiving, traditional mother that could just look at you with bad eyes and make you start to cry on the spot. Although she still dey act select roles. Yes, wetin people dey talk about most these days na her strong social media activism and focal support for Igbo affairs and Biafra movement. She lives a low profile life, yes, with her husband Tony Durike. But when she talks online, everybody everywhere dey shake. Okay, and at number 9 we have Abele Okaro. Whether she's playing the sweetest supportive mom or one strict stepmother, omo, that one pack the two join. Mama Abele always bring raw emotional weight to every scene. Right now, she's still very active, starring in new Netflix original and cinema hits. After losing her husband recently, she keep her personal life super private and focus her energy on coaching and mentoring young actors behind the scene. And at number 8, we have Liz Benson, the ultimate queen mother. She went from being the absolute screen siren in Glamour Girls to playing powerful, graceful, wealthy matriarchs. Yes, and in the mid 2000s, Liz stepped away from secular Nollywood after becoming born again. She married a bishop, that great Ameye, and moved down to Delta State to focus heavily on church ministry work. Yes, she's mostly retired today, only making rare cameo appearance in faith-based movie. Okay, and at number 7 we get Hilda Dokubo, the raw, unfiltered mother that could cry a whole ocean on screen and make the entire country cry with her. Over time, she branched into political activism and social reform, even serving as special advisor in Rivers State and fighting for women and girls' child rights. Yes, today she dey divide her time between public speaking, social advocacy, and select deep drama film. And at number 6 we have Shola Sobowale, the loud, bold, energetic, and complete fire. Hey, from Mani for Super Story to her iconic comeback as Eniola Salami in King of Boys, Aunty Shola na absolute force of nature. Today, Shola dey booked, busy, and thriving heavily. She dey shoot major Netflix projects, historical biopics, and just enjoying life as a super proud mother to her twin daughter abroad. Okay, and at number 5 we have Ireti Doyle, the ultimate corporate intellectual mom. She no need to shout at you. One silent, disappointed look from her from her, e fit reset your whole brain and your entire destiny. After confirming her divorce in recent year, Ireti don open a brand new chapter. She don switch gear into screenwriting, film production, and running a lifestyle platform where she gives mature perspective on relationship and wellness. And at number 4 was the iconic Onyeka Onwenu, the singer, journalist, broadcaster, and legendary actress who brought pure class and soul to movie mother roles like in Lionheart. Sadly, the whole country lost this icon in July 2024 after she collapsed following a live performance in Lagos. Oh, may her soul rest in peace. She lived a phenomenal life, and her presence as an elite screen mother can never be replaced. Okay, let's move on. And at number 3, we have Dame Taiwo Ajayi. Yes, she embodied intellectual, classy motherhood, dropping wisdom on screen like a university lecture wrapped in skill. Now, in her mid-80s, she remains an absolute living legend for Nigerian theatre and film, attending industry events and occasionally taking special features role. Okay, and at number 2, we have Madam Bukky Wright, the fine, stylish auntie turned strict mother who brought glamour and pepper drama, yes, to every single scene. Bukky Wright relocated to the United States and took a long break from acting to focus on family and business. She made a quiet return to film recently and is currently enjoying low-key life in the US while watching her grown sons make moves. And at number 1, the finally, Fathia Balogun, Madam Fathia Balogun, the famous for playing raw, grounded, prayerful mother who go fight dirty for their children any day. After walking through high-profile personal challenges, Fathia quietly remarried and expanded her career behind the scene. Today, she's heavily into producing movie with strong women empowerment team and even run an acting academy in Ibadan to train the next generation. And there you have it. Those are the 15 legendary Nollywood mothers that made our childhood memories so sweet. Yes. So now tell me in the comment section, which of these screen mothers was your absolute favorite back in the days or even now? Drop a comment in the comment section below under this gist, under this video. Yes, and don't forget to like,